This 2022 Dutchmen Yukon 399 megaliters is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Lamoni, Iowa, 50140 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 162 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.